kids! Welcome to Kids School Art! Today, we are drawing a spider. Let's draw together. First, we are drawing the face of our spider. Now, we are drawing eyes of the spider. Are you scary? Don't worry, our spider is so innocent. Look, eyes are so big and cute. Now, we are drawing legs. Our spider has 3 pairs of legs. Wow, so cute, spider. Look, spider is watching us. So awesome. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Let's do coloring. Orange. See you in next video. Take care.